Hello, I'm Lucy from Kitchen Zap. Today, we're going to talk about ginger and mint tea. Have a colorful lemonade stand upgrade, refreshing summer sip of mint and ginger tea. Here's how to make homemade mint tea with ginger. Ingredients: 4 bags of mint tea, 6 ounces ginger, peeled then smashed using a meat mallet, mint sprigs, 2 tablespoons of honey, 8 cups boiling water. Ice. Instructions: combine mint tea, ginger, and boiling water in a large pot. Let it steep for 8 minutes. Pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve in a container, then remove the solids. Stir in honey. Allow it to cool for 2 hours. Serve the tea over ice with the mint sprigs. That's our tea recipe for today. Watch our other videos about tea recipes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.